and welcome to today's Speaker Card reading. Today's topic is what do people think and feel the moment you walk into the room? For that, we have three piles pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Another time, one, two, and three. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your support and subscription means the world to me. Now, let's get started. Hello, pile one. Let's see what do people think or feel when you walk into the room. Bouquet compliments from an admirer. You have a lot of admirers, clearly. Rose, romance is in the air. A lot of the people out there would love to date you, would love to romance you. A lot of them are your admirers. I'm clearly getting a lot of people are besotted by you. A very calm, soft, ethereal, magical energy that people feel. Scales, keep your life in balance. People feel that you are a very balanced person. A lot of Librans, a very fair, balanced individual. Seahorse, family matters. You are also very family oriented. That's how people feel about you. The poet, clearly you are a person who is like, you are very clairvoyant, you're very ethereal, extremely timeless as a beauty, very poetic, very timeless, mystical. They cannot decode you easily. There is some kind of a flow about the way in which you walk into the room. It almost feels like a music. People, that's what people feel like. Almost you walking into the room feels like a soft music, like a water flowing in the background. The mother, you're also, they feel that you are a very nurturing, caring, very elegant, very motherly kind of a person in general. All right, okay, I've again turned it on the other side, sorry. The full, okay, the full set was turned upside down, I'm sorry. The Queen of Cups, clearly you are, they feel that you are a very matured individual, somebody who has endured the ups and downs of life and have turned themselves into a pearl. You are, a lot of you could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Your intuition and instincts are very much on point. You are very creatively blessed, a very mystical, ethereal kind of a person you are, be it a lady or or a gentleman. What I'm seeing is, physically you guys have beautiful eyes. Most of you guys have beautiful eyes, big, watery, beautiful eyes, soft, wavy hair, be it male or female, maybe a little bit longish, darker colored hair, and more round features, button nose, round features, fuller lips. Yeah, and maybe even if you are a female, you tend to dress in more feminine ways. If you are a male, you tend to dress in a more conventionally masculine manner. So that conventionality, the sense of conventionality, is something that people feel. Traditional, conventional, very otherworldly. You're also a very wise person, somebody who has been hurt earlier, somebody who grew wiser in their, like, through their endeavors in life. They have grown wiser. You have grown a lot. Your wisdom has grown over time. You're also very good at manifestations. You are so good, like, people feel that you would be a magic manifester. That's how people feel, that this is a person who is like, you put an intention out there and they instantly tend to manifest. If you put an intention out there in the universe always grants your wish. People also feel that you, the moment you walk into the room, there is a sense of silent strength. It might not be that you are very athletic and exerting, like, most of you are not into, like, if you are a female especially, you have not tapped into your male energies. You don't embody your masculine energies. You are very much, even as a male, you're very much in touch with your feminine energies, but there is a sense of quiet strength about you, very quietly assertive and very quietly strong. You could be very soft and very soft spoken and very nice and kind, but that doesn't mean that you are a pushover. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Guys, your subscription, your support means the world to me. So if you like my content, please, please, please support my channel and help me grow. Two of Cups, you are being seen as a perfect partner, a very good arm candy. A lot of people would love to date you, for sure. A lot of people in that room would love to take you out. Yeah, you are resplendent in your own glory, but you know what? You're equally kind. You know that you get a lot of attention, but that doesn't make you cocky. That doesn't make you like, my way or highway kind of a person. Instead, that has made you more grounded. See, this Empress is picking up the chicks on her lap. Yeah, you also try to extend your you also tend to extend your hands of, how shall I put it, uh, your cups to the others, to the have nots of the society. I'm talking about the compassion, and people realize how compassionate and nice and kind you are. You're also a person who never believes in giving up in life. You never give up in life. You are a fighter. People understand that this is a person who might not be very, like, externally not a very ostentatious kind of a person, not a boastful person, but when it is like, when in the face of severe impediments, this is a person who can stand up against those challenges. They have the guts to fight and win over those challenges, for sure. You are a person with this Three of Pentacles. You are the ideal architect of your own destiny. You are the person who is the creator, who has worked very, very hard to create their current reality. You are a very hard working person. You are like that untapped pearl. That's how people feel. Like, almost, for a lot of you, people feel that this is a person who is cut out of a completely different cloth. I'm getting a lot of mermaid kind of vibes for especially ladies. A person who is literally cut out of a different cloth than most people in today's day and age. You are the magician, you are the architect and the alchemist. I love this kind of combinations. Architect and the alchemist of your own destiny. Remember, the magician has all the four elements of nature which they can use to manifest anything. You have like infinite potential about you. That's what people feel, that this person, if they put their mind to something, they are bound to make it happen, make it work. The Emperor, you are like, you have worked very hard to reach the position. Like, it is, I'm seeing you are at a position of power, status, and it is like you have worked very, very hard to reach the position that you have today. And people really respect that. People get it, that this is a person who is very, you are a very classy person, very classy individual. Queen of Pentacles, you are somebody who is actually, you have reached a position in life where money is no longer a point of worry. You have gotten really great at making money, and now today you are the queen because you have a very mature sense with respect to money. You respect money, because you know how tough it was for you at one point of time, how tough life was for you. And today, now that you have the amount that is needed for a very good not just survival, for maintenance of a very good lifestyle, you tend to extend your money. You tend to extend money, meaning your power and money and knowledge, to others who are in the have not sections of the society. You are also, people feel that you are way wiser, very wise. You are graceful, you're ethereal, you're wise. A wise person, a very wise person you are. You are also, I'm seeing you guys are hitting new milestones. You guys are celebrating life. People feel that this is a person who is born to celebrate life. You guys are hitting one milestone after the other. Intend and create high priest. Yeah, you guys are extremely spiritual as well. You are magic manifester. You're one of those people, as I said, like if you put your mind to something, the universe actually grants your wishes pretty fast. Be the light white witch. You are a person who is like a light. You are that person like the white witch. You are like that ray of light in this tunnel of darkness for most people. Believe in the impossible. You are somebody who feels that impossible is nothing. You are a person who is extremely like, you know, you have completely surrendered yourself to the ultimate realm. You are also a very natural healer. You have a very cathartic presence. Your presence has a very cathartic effect, very healing, very calming effect on others. Take time to reflect. You are somebody who is extremely self reflective in nature. You are somebody who has been a very self reflecting person. Like, in spite of coming this far in life, you are equally grounded. A person who is so grounded and mature to have the guts to stand in front of the mirror and self reflect is truly a leader. You are a born leader. Your commitment is being tested. You have been through phases in life where you felt like life was testing you, like it's no one else's business. Life has tested you so much, but you came out of it as a winner. You are a winner. You are not just a survivor, you are thriving. Follow the voice of your soul. You are somebody who literally followed the voice of their soul and has come out as a winner. You are a person who speaks from their mind. If you feel like, you are one of those people who's yeah, first of all, I'm getting clairvoyant and uh, also clairvoyant energy, also claircognizance as well. What I'm seeing is people feel that this is a person who has very strong intuitive power. A lot of you could also be into Reiki healing, astrology, tarot, crystals, tantra, and that actually increases your enigmatic power. A lot of you could also be spiritual teachers and spiritual healers. Those people, those of you who have learned from their own life experiences and have implemented their life experience in and have found success. There is a balance between spirituality and practicality in you. You are a very spiritual person, somebody who has completely surrendered themselves to the higher realm, but at the same time you are also a very practical person. Pisces can be significant for a lot of you. Soul family, call in your tribe. You don't have to do it alone. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of those people around you in the room. They would love to be a part of your soul family. You are like that ray of light, that lone lighthouse in this lonely dark sea and ocean. You are like that lone standing lighthouse for a lot of people. People are very easily attracted towards you. You have such high vibrations. So do your energy cleansing pretty frequently, guys, because I'm seeing a lot of energy vampires could also be meandering around you as well. So that is one thing I can see. Be graceful in movement and action. Yeah, people also think that this is such a graceful, gracious person. The way in which you speak, the way in which you present yourself, everything, there is a sense of grace, there is a sense of like very ladylike if you are a female, very gentle manly if you are a male. So a very graceful, gracious presence you have. Wise one, grow within your current situation. You are a person who has grown, wiser. Like no matter what life has thrown at you, you have used it as a lesson to grow as a person, as an individual. Don't let pride get into your way. Absolutely, you haven't let, like, you are known. Leo can be significant for a lot of you. You are known for your humble ways. You are known for your humility in spite of achieving so much, and you are definitely an absolute catch material. You are extremely affable and approachable as a persona. Your potential is endless. People literally feel and think that this person has immense potential, and they have reached a certain point and they are meant to go further ahead in life. It's time for healing and not war. Literally, you are a person who has a very healing and calming effect on people. I'm seeing one of the reasons being you are somebody who is a natural healer. Your presence is very cathartic, very, like, it's like a balm on a lot of people. Slow down and celebrate yourself. You guys are celebrating yourself. You guys are celebrating each and every moment of your life. Raindrops, take a chance on them. A lot of those people really secretly wish that you had taken a chance on them. A lot of them, you guys are extremely desirable, I'm seeing. A lot of them would love it if you took a chance on them. Confidence, it comes with time and practice. People also think that you are a very confident person, but what I'm feeling is you guys have suffered. You have had a long road in that, long walk in that. Like there was a time when you were not that confident, but you suffered from imposter syndrome, and from there to this, it's been a long road. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation, guys. If yes, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your support and subscription would mean the world to me. So, guys, if you like my content, please support me and my channel and help me grow. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, pile 2. Let's see, what do people think or feel when you walk into the room? Clearly, the desk. Pay attention to your work. You are extremely focused about your work. You are extremely, a lot of you are workaholics. A lot of you are known for your work ethics. Basket, recognition, reward for the merit. And you have been rewarded for the merit, for the work that you do. You have been rewarded for that as well. Okay. Bittle, good fortune. You have been pretty fortunate. You are a diamond. You will be receiving or giving precious gift. I mean, people think of you as somebody who is very precious, priceless, protection from a powerful friend. You have been protected in your life for sure. And dogs, okay, two dogs. Okay, a lot of you probably have pets, especially dogs. Getting together with friends, you have a lot of friends and well-wishers in your life. All right, the hunter. Clearly you are a very, you are very focused in your goals, very seasoned, extremely respectful, like a hunter who can't afford to fail. You are a go-getter in life, a warrior, somebody having fierce amount of clarity about their work, very purposeful in your action and resolve. You're very purposeful and extremely resilient, very focused and extremely resilient in your work. All right, you guys, the first is the devil card. First thing that people feel or think are, this is a person, like you are very suave on the outside, you know, very like very flamboyant, colorful, everybody wants to, very attractive, you know, everybody wants to be with you, everybody wants to be around you, you know, getting all the attention. But actually with the devil card there is an essence of illusion. So what I'm seeing is you guys are actually very hardworking on the inside, like a nose to the grindstone kind of a person on the inside, but the superficial perception about you is a very glamorous, like outside superficial perception is there. Queen of Swords, you are a very good judge of human character, very strong judge of human character. You can see right through people's nonsense and manipulation. So, manipulative people, stay the heck away from you. You're a very wise person, very with strong sense of sarcastic humor, dry and very dark humor. So, very strong persona in general, very intelligent, independent, who has seen a lot of life. That's what people feel. You are a person who has literally single-handedly, you have reshaped your life. You have turned the wheels of destiny in your favor. You have turned the wheels of fate into wheels of fortune. You have literally rehashed your life. King of Swords, you are a person who has been, you are a very sharp, intelligent, intellectual kind of a person who has literally, I'm seeing you are somebody who has literally with their own intelligence. A lot of you could be into the STEM field, like science, technology, techie, coding, those kind of stuffs, research, you know, AI, chat GPT, using all that, or into those kind of engineering, also into crypto and stuff like that. And you have used your intellect. Some of you have always been very street smart and have used your street smartness in advancing yourself in your career. Knight of Swords, you are a person who has actually, who is extremely driven, who has always been very driven and very focused about their work, extremely driven about your work, extremely driven about everything in life. Your innate sense of drive, okay, I'll keep it here. Your innate sense of drive in life is like, it's very high. Your sense, like your passion, you believe in living every day of your life to the fullest. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Your support would mean, your subscribe, one like means the world to me. So please, if you like my content, please support my channel. You are a person who is seen as a very reliable partner, both as a reliable business partner and a life partner. People think of you in that way. You are a person who is also actually very responsible, somebody who is very responsible, who is very diligent about their work. Okay, with the 10 of Swords, clearly you have been backstabbed. You have been through a phase where you felt totally drained, totally deranged in life, like life is not treating me well, and what had I done wrong, that kind of a phenomena. I'm seeing you guys went through that phase in life where you felt totally dejected. You felt, a lot of you went through a phase where literally those people whom you had trusted at one point were the ones who made you literally repent, who made you, like, you literally went through a phase, why did I have to go through all of this? Why are these people backstabbing me at the moment when I need them the most? You have been backstabbed by your so-called own people. I'll call them so-called own people and not exactly own people, because like they are not your own people, right? Your own people truly, who are your well-wishers, they will not hurt you that way, and you had to cut a lot of emotionally toxic cords. Yeah, but that, like, it did hurt initially, but that served you well going forward. That's what I'm seeing. Like, you guys had cut those cords, those toxic cords, and those things really proved to be a fair thing to do in the long run going forward. That's what I'm seeing. Three of Wands. You are a person who has really, really come a long way in life. You have achieved so much in life. A lot of you have achieved a lot after you had to move away from your place of residence, move away from those people whom you thought would stay by you, but they didn't. They were sabotaging you, and you actually realized it even more. Like, these are the things which people feel, that this is a person who has been backstabbed and sabotaged on by those people whom they trusted, but you guys actually reclaimed your power and moved on, reclaimed every bit of you. You guys have literally, okay, the wheels of fortune twice. You guys literally turned your fortune in your favor with your own efforts. That is major. People look at you as somebody, you tend to intimidate a lot of people. I'm seeing people think that this is a person who is way beyond our league. This is a person who are way above us. This is a person who is very feisty, fiery, extremely driven, extremely passionate about their work. What I'm seeing is a lot of these people, like, to them, you are like somebody whom they only can aspire to have, and that's that. And also, I'm seeing for you, the physical appearances for what people see are very, high cheekbones, sharp nose bridges, not very long hair for both males and females. Maybe some of you have athletic build, or some of you have very curvy body, either curvy or athletic, both on the extreme, like strong built or very curvy built, both can be seen. Yeah. Okay, very attractive though. Physically very, very attractive though. You are also, people feel that this is a person who are great with kids, great with small animals. They will make a fantastic parent if you are not a parent, or you are a fantastic parent. That's how people see you. The Sun card, people see you as a successful person, very successful, way above their league. Like, they want to latch on to your success mostly. You're very, very good at making money. This is what people feel, that this is a person who is so good at making money. They are so good. You have literally single-handedly turned your world around. You have turned your world from here to here. You have turned it 180 degree. Like, everything, there was a time was nothing was going as per your aspirations, and today everything is going in your favor. Everything that you touch actually turns into gold. That kind of a scenario. Two of Wands, you are also a very competitive person, very competitive, very determined, somebody who is willing to go that extra mile to get what they want. You are a go-getter, and you are extremely ambitious. People see you as a very ambitious person, extremely ambitious, very, very strong. See how strong she is, that a bear is her pet. So you are that kind of a strong person. 10 of Cups, yeah. You are an absolutely family oriented person. In spite of all the success, you are a very, very much family oriented person. She Wolf, unleash the wild within. You are a person who is like a lone wolf. On the surface, you could be like very calm and quiet and stuff like that, but on the inside, you are actually somebody who is very wild, who is very driven. Also, you tend to intimidate a lot of people. Like, people don't dare to mess with you, because they know if they mess with you, you can rip them apart. You have that kind of energy, very intensely focused energy. Practice shape shifting by altering your physical appearance and mannerisms. A lot of you have actually changed the look in the last few years, and people are flabbergasted. The energy is gaining momentum. You guys have gained a lot of momentum in the last few years. You guys have gained some massive momentum. Walrus, remain vigilant about the current situation. Pay attention to signs and omens, and let them dictate your choices. Literally, you are a very vigilant person, very quietly vigilant person. You know exactly what to look for, and people cannot dupe you easily, because there was a time when you had been totally duped by your so called own people. So now you have turned yourself into a person who is totally proof to all of those things. You're good enough. People feel that you're more than good enough. You're more than good enough. You're extremely capable. Hunter, okay, hunter, twice track down your fears and desires. You are somebody who has conquered their desires, who have faced their fears head on. So, you almost like give off the vibes of being invincible. You're not scared of anything in life. Enjoy success and happiness. People literally feel like, people can feel that how successful you are. This is a very very successful person, and let's just not mess with this person. You tend to intimidate a lot of people. Chimpanzee, use both your intuition and your intellect to solve the problem or get answers to your questions. Yes, you are a person who is extremely intuitive, at the same time very intelligent, and you solve your problems both in like using your right and left brain qualities. You are also being seen as somebody who is an ambitious visionary, somebody who knows exactly where they want to see themselves at, like 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now. Falcon, act on the opportunity that's before you and commit to it without equivocation. You are like this falcon, somebody who has literally, I'm seeing you are being seen, a lot of you are being seen as an opportunistic person, but you are very good at spotting the opportunities. Trust me, guys, life gives opportunities and options to everybody, but not all of us are adept at, like, you need to identify those gaps in the market. You need to be able to identify those opportunities and act promptly. But you are one of those people who can not just spot those opportunities, you can also act on those as well. Voices, your voice is, a lot of you have the gift of the gap. Some of you speak multiple languages, and whenever you speak, you are a fantastic speaker, and whenever you speak, people listen, people become your fans. That's what I'm saying. You on the dais, and everybody is looking up to you. That is the vision I'm having. Okay, summer, bask in joy and light. You are going through the summer. You are getting a lot of attention. You are going through the summer of your life. Literally, especially in the materialistic ways, you're going through the summers of your life. Wolverine, you're a lot tougher than you think you are. People think of you as a very tough person. Maybe at times not you. You don't really feel that way, but people do. Stand up for yourself. You are a person who has the guts to stand up. You have become a person today who can stand up and defend their own selves, because there was a time you couldn't have done that. But today you do it. Expectations, don't seek anyone else's approval. You are a person who no longer seeks other people's approval. You do what you feel is right for you, and you don't seek others' approval. I am always enough. Don't doubt your worth. You are a person who has, like, you have this notion about the self belief that, you know what, I am more than enough, and I don't need others to fulfill me, to complete me. This sense of I am worth it is something that people can smell from afar. You are a revolutionary, you are a rebel who tend to always stand up for anything that they believe in, even if it's against the popular notion. So, all right, guys, this is what people feel or think when you enter the room, when you walk into the room. I hope you have had some clarity. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your subscription means the world to me. So if you like my content, please, please, please support my channel and help me grow. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see, what do people think and feel the moment you walk into the room. All right, the first one is the rainbow. The most difficult part of a situation is over. All right, you have been through some difficult circumstances in life, of course. Candle, you will be shown the way, and your life, the universe has shown you the way out of it. Butterfly, a change for better. You guys have had a change in your life for better. Cat, two-faced friends. You have faced a lot of two-faced friends. So what I'm seeing is you guys have become a way better judge of human character in general. Bull, do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. You are a person who is extremely strong. Emotionally, you're being seen as extremely strong, and that shows. The moment you enter the room, your strength, your conviction shows. You have been through difficult circumstances, but you have come out of it, and that shows. Broken wishbone, wish will not be granted. Your wishes, you have been through a phase where none of your wishes were granted. You felt totally heartbroken. Bridge, successfully overcoming a problem. Of course, you guys have been through a lot of issues and you have come out of it successfully. Bread, period of prosperity and abundance. Yes, you know what I'm seeing? People, you tend to intimidate a lot of people. You probably come off as a little bit standoffish, a little bit like I could care less, kind of a little bit witchy as well. Maybe the star bond, you know what? You are a lot of us, like a lot of us, you are very timeless, very classy, very much a person who, you know, you're very much one with the universe. People feel that this is a person whose intentions are very strong. If they put their mind to something, they can do it easily. You have a very strong belief and faith in the universe, like a shaman for a lot of you. All right, the Ace of Cups. You are one of those people who are creatively blessed or into, I'm seeing the overflowing of emotions. Your emotions, as we call the rasas, the juices of creations are overflowing in you. What that tells me is you are a very creative and intuitively blessed person. That's something that people instinctively feel, that this is a person who knows, like their intuitions are so strong, they get to know about things. Queen of Cups, you are emotionally very mature people, emotionally blessed and mature people. The Fool 2 card, you are somebody who has, remember, always, as I say, a fool too has always been a fool at some point, and you have failed, you have been reckless earlier, and you have learned from the situation. People feel that this is a person who has grown in their current situation. This is a person who is very wise. This is a person who is like extremely blessed today, but this hasn't come easily. You come across as somebody who is also pretty, like, as I said, standoffish, pretty stoic, somebody whom people want to be on their side with. People do not like, people feel that you are pretty above their level, their standard, their status, if you know what I mean. People also feel that you are a fantastic manifester. You guys, if you put your mind to something, you eventually manifest it. You are a fantastic arm candy. People also feel like, a lot of you actually look like always you are dressed for a higher thing. Like you always look very classy. Like even if you're going to do the laundry, you dress as if when you're crossing the road, people turn around and see you look like you're going for a gala. So it's that kind of a thing. You dress really well, you look like a complete bomb, and a lot of people in that room would be your admirers. You have been through real choppy, difficult waters. You have been through situations where you felt that life was being so unfair to me, and you had to sail, swim. You swam through some such difficult seas. And also, what I'm seeing is, there is a this huge message of transformation, 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 with a lot of new leaves coming out. You guys, your life, you guys have managed to transform it from like it's no one else's business. That kind of transformation I'm seeing. Yeah, Ten of Swords, you felt totally dismayed, deranged in a way, like, you felt like giving up on life because life was only tasting you and was not giving you anything nice. Two of Swords, yeah, I'm seeing there was like a two-pronged attack. You probably had enemies on like both sides. Enemies, you were feeling failures, you were facing failures both in your personal life and also in your professional life. And yeah, I mean, that became very difficult, but you chose to never give up. You guys never gave up. You are like this tortoise. See this tortoise? You're more like this tortoise who, I hope it's visible, this tortoise in the scene, who in the face of severe impediments, you guys never give up. You guys keep on fighting. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your subscription means the world to me. Right, the moon card, clearly you are a person who is like, your creative and intuitive aspects, you are absolutely blessed, and people can see. I'm seeing a lot of you probably dress in an alternative manner, maybe a little bit gothic, dark clothes, dark eyes. You tend to intimidate people pretty easily. That's what I'm seeing. A lot of you, like, as I said, like, you're crossing the road and people are turning their head and looking at you. It could be due to whatever reasons, but you tend to intimidate a lot of people. And at the same time, you're a very kind hearted person as well. People feel that this is a person whom we can go to, we can reach out to, and they might help us. The Hierophant, you're way wiser beyond your age. Beyond your age, you're very wise. You come across as a very wise, somebody who has been there, done that in their life, and have succeeded as well. Yeah, a magic manifestor. You guys have manifested the current life of yours as well. Also, what I'm seeing, a lot of you had to struggle a lot initially, which made you extremely responsible, unbound, releasing soul patterns and contracts in past lives. Literally, you guys have released all of your soul patterns of the past. Seriously, you guys have released everything, every contract and soul patterns from your past. You have unbound yourself from the past, and that has helped you big time in this life. Trust that you have the resources to get through the challenges before you. Literally, I'm seeing you are one of those people feel like this is a very resourceful individual. This is a person who knows what they're doing, and they're extremely resourceful. End of a tough cycle approaches. You are a person who has been through real difficulties in life, and people feel that you are going to come to an end of that stage. Like, you have come to the end of that cycle, and your cycle of prosperity is beginning. Roadrunner, keep your sense of humor and don't take things so seriously. You are a person, even during difficult times, you have a very strong sense of humor, and people really appreciate that. This is a person who can make fun. Making fun of your own difficult situation is not easy. That's how people feel about you. Excuse me. Unicorn, indulge your creative, imaginative, and magical side through some form of artistic expression. Exactly, you are a person, you are like a unicorn. Like, people see you as somebody who is very rare. A unicorn is a rare species, not really found easily. Somebody who is extremely creative, very imaginative, extremely magical as such. Trust in the unknown. You have a lot of faith in the divine and divinity. I'm seeing you guys have a lot of faith in the divinity. You have a lot of faith in the unknown and the higher power. And that shows, that clearly shows. And people understand that this is a person who has completely surrendered themselves to the higher power, Take care of your needs during winter. Winter, you have been through a lot of winter time in your life, and that has taught you a lot of lessons. Connect with your emotions. You are somebody who is deeply in this hyper connected world. Most of us are pretty disconnected even with our own selves. We indulge in stuffs barely understanding whether we need it or not. You are one of those people, my dear pile number three, who is deeply connected, like their mind, body, spirit are all in one line. Meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. Pisces can be significant for a lot of you. You guys probably prefer to spend a lot of time in meditation and quiet contemplation, and that is the kind of life that you lead. That is the kind of life that you prefer as well. Spider, trust the creative spark you are feeling and express it through writing stories that aspire and enlighten. Literally, I'm getting a lot of creativity. Like, a lot of you could be like a very good dancer, singer, maybe into writing, maybe into woodworking, anything creative, anything crafty, and you could be really great at that. And people really realize that this is a person who is a born natural artist. You are naturally blessed at that, actually. Cat, it's time to strike out on your own and relinquish your overdependency on others. You are a person, you are like a cat who is extremely independent. Somebody who has given up, like who does not depend on others, who totally depend upon their own selves, and who tries to fight on their own. You don't need others for your own fight. You can fight your own battles and win those. You are a very, very independent and self reliant person. Rattlesnake, the experiences that you are presently going through are an initiation into fulfilling your purpose as a healer. Clearly, you are a person who have been through, your life has thrown a lot of curveballs at you, which really would upset you earlier, which would cause a lot of pain to you earlier. But today you have realized that, you know what, a lot of you are spiritual healers, or also could be like therapists, counselor, maybe mostly in these lines, but some of you could be related to the medical field, conventional medical field, like doctors, dentists, registered nurse, pharmacist, something related to the medical line as well. And people feel that you are a very good healer. I'm seeing a lot of Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius. Some of you could be Aquarius as well. Honeybee, you are a very good leader, healer as well. Okay, leader came out, so maybe you have natural leadership qualities about you, and people notice that in you as well. Honeybee, let compassion and forgiveness be your top priority in this situation. You know, you are like a honeybee. You're very busy. You always like to keep yourself very busy. A. B, I'm seeing like you are a person who is extremely compassionate. People realize that this is a very kind, compassionate, forgiving kind of a person. In spite of you, initially, a lot of people actually probably tell you that, you know what, initially we felt a little bit uncomfortable around you, because people probably feel that way around you initially, because you come across as somebody who is a little bit more stoic. But gradually, as they get to know you, slowly but surely, things change, things tend to lighten up a lot. Have faith in your dreams. You are a person who has a lot of faith in their dreams. They believe in turning their dreams into reality. Show the world the real you. Aquarius. Aquarius can be significant for a lot of you. And you know what? People feel that, you know, at last you're getting your dues. You could be like having very good, like, gut feelings and hunches and instincts, but it could be a clairvoyant or a claircognizant situation. But people would earlier probably laugh at you, but today people are realizing that this is a person who is naturally blessed Shark, swim away from the situation. You have been through a situation in a shark infested water kind of situation, but you guys have managed to come out of it on the other side unscathed. Take care. Take yourself out on a date. You are a person who has managed to take themselves out. Like, you are a person who is very self reliant, who tend to take their own selves out on a date pretty frequently. I mean, you love your own company. That is something. You love your own company. Also, you're a very private person. That's something people notice, that probably one or two friends, your pets, your candles, your music, and that's all you need to survive, to feel good in your life. Not to just survive, but feel great. Treat your body like the palace it is. Yes. There is a lot of sense of self belief, self love, and self acceptance about who you are. Like, what? Take it or leave it. This is the way I am. This is the way I wish to stay for the rest of my life. So, whether you like it or not does not really matter. Alright, guys, I hope you had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste.